We are discussing constructor of a class.
In this demonstration, we shall discuss Java constructors. We know that constructors are nothing but functions whose name will be same as that of the class name. Here we have defined one class. The name of the class is account, and we have defined three instance variable: name, account number, and balance. So this is known as the constructor. Here we are not passing any parameter, so that's why it is called parameterized constructor, whose name will be same as that of the class name. Where the return type specification is not there, it is under the public section, and here we are initializing the instance variable name and account number with the null string and balance with the 0.0. This is another constructor whose name will be same as that of the class name, having no return type specification under the public scope, and it is parameterized. Here we are passing three parameters, that is a string n, string id, and double b. So now what will happen, this name and this account number and this balance, they will get updated, they will get initialized with this input parameters, and then we are having the set details where we are passing this name and the respective id. The name and id will get instantiated, will get updated, will get initialized using this set details. This is my deposit money, where the money whatever will be passing as input argument, that will get added with the balance, and the balance will be the sum of the previous balance plus the money which is being passed as the input parameter. The value of the money will get added and the new balance will be there, and the balance value will get increased in that case. So now there is a get details. Actually the get details means here we are having the display function actually. So it is printing the name, printing the account number, and printing this balance with this prompt text here. So it is, they are getting concatenated with the respective texts and strings, and then the respective values are going to get displayed. So here the name of the class is constructor. So that's why you can find that we are having this constructor.java, and under the main function we have defined two objects under the class account, and these two objects, one has got instantiated with the non-parameterized constructor, another has got instantiated with the parameterized constructor. So it has gone for the respective name, it has gone for the id, and it is gone for the balance here. But in case of non-parameterized constructor, we didn't pass anything, so the name and the respective balance and the id, they will remain uninstantiated. Balance will be initialized with 0, and name and this account number will be having the null only. Okay, next we're calling this set details to initialize this corresponding name and the id. And deposit money, here we are passing this deposit money as 6,000 in double, and this is account SCC1, that is the first object which is having non-parameterized. So in this way we are initializing, or we are initializing this name and the id and passing this value. So what will happen, the balance will be equal to 0.0 plus 6,000.0. so the balance will get updated with the 6,000 value ultimately after doing the addition. So now we are going to print the account one details. So the method will be get details. We know that get details method is actually printing the name, the account number, and the balance respectively, and this is my scc.get details. So details of the account number 2 is going to get printed here. So let us go for the execution. You can find that details of the account number 1. So details of the account number 1, this text has got printed. So get details is printing the name, account number, and balance, the name, account number, and balance. And details of the account 2, so this particular string has got printed, and it is now after that we have called this scc2.get details. So again it is printing the respective name, the account number, and the balance here. So from this respective demonstration, from this example, you are getting this idea that how the constructor can be defined and how constructor works in Java code, and we have given you the detailing and the respective output while running my code. So I think now the conception is getting clear. What is a parameterized constructor, what is a non-parameterized constructor, and how to call them and how to use them to instantiate and to initialize our instance variables.